within tolerance. Secure the clamps.
Roger that. Clamps engaging.
Is good. Send it down slowly.
Continuity check passed on harness 4B. Resistance is within tolerance.
All gyroscopes are securely mounted.
Confirmed. Vibration isolation is nominal.
Things are stable, engineer.
Proceed with the first sweep.
The pods are capable of surfacing from maximum depth, featuring 48 hours of life support and automatic distress beacons.
Slow down the approach. Alignment check, stern side. Looks good, keep coming.
The rudder is hung on these heavy-duty pintles. We then connect the primary hydraulic steering gear, backed up by this mechanical advantage system for emergencies.
Look at the waveform right here. That's a subsurface crack.
A little more to the left, watch the shaft alignment.
Okay, holding steady.
Looks good from here.
The voltage on line 3 is still fluctuating.
Just finished torquing the connection. Looks stable now.
Testing. Engine room to all compartments. Propulsion and reactor systems report nominal status. Outfitting complete.
Easy with the hydraulics, bring her down slowly.
Seated, engineer. Clamps and...
This ductwork needs to meet NFPA standards for the solvents we're storing. Double-check the seal. Full load sustained, backup engaged cleanly.
Confirmed. Recharging at optimal rate. Systems nominal.
All stations, commence lift sequence.
Ballast tanks pressurized, trim holding at 0.
Confirmed. We have flotation.
Power up the main console. We need full diagnostics before we cast.
Confirm dive readiness. Engineering, status check.
Acknowledged.
Helm, flood main ballast tanks.
All compartments secure, Captain. Holding steady at 200 meters.
Very good. Maintain course.
Less than 5 meters deviation after 12 hours submerged.
Inertial navigation confirmed.
Active ping transmitted. Echoes received. Bearing 045. Target classified as merchant vessel. Range 15,200 yards.
Bridge to command. Radio check successful. Affirmative. Satellite link established. We are receiving the data now.
Initiate reload sequence. Time is running.
Torpedo seated.
Lock and seal. Excellent response time, people.
We have a rupture. Get the emergency patch applied now. Isolate the compartment. The leak is secured. Depth is stable.
S-gram initiated. Verify rod inserted, Chief.
Rod's fully inserted, Chief.
Experience perfect comfort with our integrated climate control. Now.
The craftsmanship here is truly remarkable, Admiral.
Indeed. A testament to your team. To the Triton.
This golden plaque symbolizes the dedication of all who served. I hereby place this powerful...